Hi everyone, it's Marco Brown. Should you hire a divorce attorney to help you with your Utah divorce? Look, I don't want this answer to be like when you ask a barber or a stylist if you need a haircut, because if you've ever noticed when you ask a stylist if you need a haircut, the answer is uniformly 100% of the time yes. There are times when you absolutely should not hire a divorce attorney to help you with your case. You don't have kids, you don't have retirement, you don't have a house, you don't have stocks and bonds, you don't have other properties, you barely even have cars. In those sorts of situations, absolutely, don't hire anybody, because you're going to overpay someone to just do some simple paperwork. You have a situation like that, go to the online court assistance program. It's called OCAP online, pay $35, do some paperwork, and get you through the process, you're done. However, if you have kids, if you have a house, if you have stocks and bonds and retirement, if you have other properties, if you have businesses, if you have these things, you really, really need to think about hiring a divorce attorney, because you have some very important things that are in play. Your kids, money, lots of money. You don't want to mess this up. You certainly don't want to mess up your kids. You don't want to get the wrong custody. You don't want to get the wrong parent-time arrangement. You want to make sure that those things are correct. You also want to make sure that alimony is correct, that child support is correct, you're not paying too much or too little, you're not getting taken advantage of, you're not left destitute. You want to make sure that the businesses are all right, so you don't have some situation where you have to sell a business because your ex is part owner in the business. You want to make sure that your properties are done correctly, whether you need to sell the house or refinance it. All of those things, you're going to get amazingly good advice from a divorce attorney. If you do it on your own and you mess that up, you're going to be dealing with those consequences for years. Let me tell you, I make a lot of money on people who went to OCAP when they had tons and tons of money and a whole bunch of kids, and they mess stuff up. They come to me 4 or 5 years later, they need to fix things, and it costs 3, 4, 5 times more to fix it than it would have to just do it right the first time. So when you have these sorts of situations, you have kids, you have assets, you have these things, you really need to look and see if you need a divorce attorney to help you through that process. So if you do need a divorce attorney, you will come in and talk about your options. We're here for you. The number is 801-685-9999. Visit us on the web if you would like, www.utdivorceattorney.com. Thanks, everyone.